Okay, here we are, parked at the side of the road, out by my friend's place out here. We're parked here, and I just want to show you something. So basically, 2 days ago, I took the truck in to get some work done on the propane tank in the back of the truck here. And basically what they've done is they've fastened the tank down completely, bolted it down, and then I have to go back and do some other things. So as you can see here, they've bolted it right down completely. There's bolts all around there. Bolted all down in place now. And on top of that, they changed the, that thing right there is the, it's a float valve. It's an automatic shut-off. So that's an automatic shut-off, brand new, that's put in there. And some extra hardware on here as well. And on top of that, they've done a couple of tweaks on under the hood as well there, so I'm not sure what they've done there. But anyway, tomorrow I'll be going, tomorrow Friday, I'll be going in to finish the job off. And so right now I think what we're going to do is we're going to drive up to a campsite, see if we can get a campsite up there and park there for a few days, maybe 3-4 days or something like that. And because tomorrow we'll be taking the truck in to finish the job, and I just want to park the camper somewhere. So we're going to do that, and maybe we'll do some camping out while we're working on the truck and waiting for it to get done. Anyway, let's do that. Ciao. So that's the official plan by BAMTHOW. So let's head out of here. Let's get in the truck here. Get in the truck with the girls here and just head out, okay? Let's do this. Okay, here we are. We are in a campsite in Englishman River Falls Campground. Yep, there we are. The girls are leashed up like they should be. And this is our beautiful little campsite. Yep, a little picnic table, fire pit, there's a fire ban on right now, so I have to use my propane. And I even put my chair out just in the sun, just to sit and relax, right? And here we are. This is it. Angel's acting up because she thinks she owns the planet and she barks at everyone. Anyway, there we are. We're set up, and I still haven't cleaned inside here yet at all. It's not that bad, really. It's basically, it just smells really smoky, like a burnt fire happened in there. And there's just some charred parts where I have to wash the walls and cupboards and stuff like that, and wash the charred parts off. But it's not really that bad. I mean, all I have to do is basically lie down and go to sleep in there, so it should be okay. Anyway, we're basically just parking this here for now, and just to get it off the street and get it in a basically safe place and that, and we can come back and forth in between working on the truck and getting that propane tank finished tomorrow. We can come back and forth and do some camping and hanging out and just enjoying everything like the way we should be doing it, right? Yeah, anyway. So now that we're parked and positioned, now it's time to make breakfast. Let's do that. Ciao. Well, here we go. Fried egg on toast. One of my favorite meals for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, any time of the day, or even a snack. Mm, 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 mm. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Well, I'm going to enjoy hanging out here for the next 4 days. 4 days and 4 nights. 3 days and 4 nights. Something like that. Anyway, it's going to be enjoyable for me and the girls. Ciao for now. Well, there we go. The truck is separated from the camper, and we can head out and go down and do groceries and run around, do whatever we have to do there, and just leave this sit here for 4 days and just kind of back up when we come back. And that's that. And now I think it's time that the girls really would love to go for a walk. Wouldn't you love to go for a walk, you girls? Yeah. Wouldn't you love to do that? Yeah. Wouldn't you? Yeah. This is your camp out too, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, let's go do that, okay? Ciao. Okay, girls, let's take you on wonderful little walkies around the campsite, okay? Yeah, I bet you want to stretch your legs and pee and stuff, right? And bark at everybody, yeah. Okay, let's do this and take a nice tour of the campsite with you. Well, here we are. We've come full circle all the way around the campsite here. All the way around the campsite. And we're coming back to our truck and tiny house. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. All right, girls, you've had a really good walkies, haven't you? Really good walkies, yeah. Home sweet home, eh? Home sweet home, huh, girls? Yeah. There we go. There we go. One really great thing about this campsite in particular is that all day long the tiny house and even the truck are all in the shade on that side of the campground here, or the campsite here. Yeah, they're both in the shade all day long. And on the opposite side, the other half of the campsite here is in the sun most of the day, so I can sit at the table in my chair or whatever, be in the sunshine, do everything out in the sun if we want, stay warm. But it's great that the tiny house is in the shade all day, so it doesn't overheat in the really, really hot sun if it gets really scorching hot. Yeah, that's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love this campsite. It's just wonderful. Okay, let's move on. Ciao. Okay, so we have been to the Englishman River Falls before, twice before in my videos in the past. But since that time, I've gotten a hell of a lot more subscribers there. And so there's a lot of people out there that have probably never seen the Englishman River Falls before. That's right beside our campsite, pretty much. Anyway, this is for all the new people that haven't been here before and haven't seen the falls. Let's go check this out, okay? Okay, so this is on the top side of the bridge. That's the falls in the summertime. Or late spring anyway. Look at that, eh? Isn't that fantastic? Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Let's take a close-up. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? This is an extremely popular place internationally. Fantastic, eh? Just fantastic. And now we're going to show you the bottom side of the bridge. And there it goes off into the wild blue yonder, as it were. Yeah. Just down in there. Isn't that gorgeous? Here we are, and this is where it empties out into the little swimming holes down at the bottom there. Yes, that is fantastic, isn't it? Okay, one more quick look at the falls and we're out of here. Okay, let's get out of here. So that was Englishman River Falls again. And that was for any of my new subscribers or viewers that haven't seen it in the past. And our campsite is only like about a minute and a half away from these falls. And there's beautiful, beautiful trails all up and down both sides of this, the falls and the river itself. Just absolutely fantastic. And it's you can spend half a day here just walking the trails down one side and up the other side and everything. It's beautiful. Anyway, okay, well, let's get back to the truck and the girls and try something else. Ciao for now. Okay, I have just deposited my registration paper for the campsite here, and just some information for you. If you're ever coming out to British Columbia to do any camping at the provincial park campsites, I should say, basically it doesn't matter how rich you are or anything. Everyone in the provincial park, provincial campgrounds of British Columbia, you get 14 days and that's it. Everyone gets 14 days, no more. That's just so, especially during tourist season, that everyone can, you know, get a chance to have a camp out here from wherever in the world they're coming from. Yeah, so that's the thing. BC provincial campgrounds are 14 days only, no matter who you are. And that's all you get. And now my girls are waiting impatiently again for me to jump in the truck. Yeah. So I hope that was good information. You're not jumping out. We're going back to the campsite, okay? Ciao for now. Well, this is great. This is great. This is wonderful. I know the girls and myself, we're going to have a great time hanging out here for the next 4 nights. Absolutely wonderful hanging out here. Yeah, and the weather we've been having is fantastic. It's more like summer weather than spring weather, so it's really been really great. And we're it's forecast to have this kind of weather for the next week or more, something like that. But this is absolutely fantastic. We're going to thoroughly enjoy hanging out in this little campsite here for the next 4 nights and have a bit of fun and get away from everything in the city and the house and everything and just enjoy for once. Okay, we'll maybe see you in the next video. Ciao for now.